In this video, I will talk about the options available to you as you read ebooks and listen to audiobooks in CloudLibrary. Open an ebook you have checked out and tap on the right side of the screen to turn the page. To go back a page, tap on the left side of the screen. You can highlight text by tapping and dragging with your finger. You can choose whether to copy that text to your clipboard, highlight it, write a note, search for that passage elsewhere in the book, or share it. The app will remember where you left off, but you can add a bookmark by tapping in the upper right corner. Tap again to remove it. See more options by tapping in the center of the page. To adjust the content display, tap on the AA icon. Dim or brighten the screen by dragging the slider. You can decrease or increase the font size, decrease or increase the margins, and switch between day mode, night mode, and sepia. To prevent the display from rotating when your device is rotated, turn on the lock rotation. To disable the page curl animation, tap on the toggle. To search for a word or phrase in the book, tap on the search icon. Type in your search term and tap Search. Scroll until you see the result you're looking for and tap on it. You will be taken to that page of the book and the word will be highlighted. The next icon is the table of contents. You can tap on any chapter to jump straight to it. Tap the Bookmarks and Notes tab to see any notes, highlights, and bookmarks you've made so far. Tap on any of them to jump to that part of the book. To delete any of these bookmarks and notes, tap on Edit in the upper right corner, then tap the red minus. At the bottom of the screen, you can see your reading progress. Drag the slider to move quickly forward and backward through the book. Tap in the middle of the screen to hide the options, or tap on the X in the upper left corner to exit out of the book. Open an audiobook you have checked out and tap on Play to begin listening. You can skip backwards and forwards 15 seconds by tapping the round arrows. You can use these buttons to go back a chapter or forward a chapter. You can also use the slider to move through the audiobook. To add a bookmark or note, tap the bookmark icon in the upper right corner. Add a note if you like and tap on Save. At the top of the screen, tap on the narration speed icon and choose your preferred speed. If you like to listen while you fall asleep, you can tap on the sleep timer and choose how long you want the audiobook to play before stopping. Tap on the table of contents to see the chapters and their lengths. Tap on any chapter to jump to it. Tap on the Bookmarks and Notes tab to see your bookmarks and notes. To remove one, tap on Edit, then tap the red minus and tap Delete. Happy reading!